How to block unknown numbers on your device. First, open the phone app on your device. After that, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three-dot menu icon. A small menu will appear on the screen. From here, tap on the Settings option to open call settings. Now, inside the Settings menu, look for an option called Block Numbers, Blocked Calls, or Caller ID and Spam, depending on your phone model. Once you find it, tap on it. On the next screen, you will see a toggle option like Block Unknown Callers or Block Calls from Unknown Numbers. Simply turn this toggle on. After enabling this option, your phone will automatically block calls from unknown or hidden numbers, helping reduce spam and unwanted calls. That's it. Unknown number calls are now blocked on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.